If you're a marketer tired of chasing traffic, you need Hidden Traffic Gems, a hands-free, high-quality traffic system made just for you. No online business can survive without traffic. It's the lifeblood that brings potential customers to your products or services. But what if I told you there's a hidden gem out there, a secret source of unlimited high-quality traffic? That's exactly what Hidden Traffic Gems delivers. This revolutionary system is a complete 100% set and forget free traffic solution. Just submit your link and leave the promoting to us. How cool is that? Perfect for both beginners and experienced marketers. It utilizes multiple traffic sources to drive real buyer traffic directly to your link. Here's the best part. You don't need a list or any special skills. It's all set up for you. Plus, you'll receive a tracking link for total transparency. Want more? Hidden Traffic Gems includes free super affiliate training, landing page setup guidance, and access to hundreds of free advertising sites you can use immediately. Imagine discovering a hidden treasure of high-quality traffic that almost no one knows about. That's what this system offers. And there's no charge for the traffic itself, just a small one-time fee for the entire traffic course package. So if you act fast, you can secure your position before more marketers join. Don't miss out on this hidden gem. Check the link in my description and get ready for a constant stream of traffic 24/7. Hidden Traffic Gems, your secret weapon for endless traffic.